What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in today. We're washing the FD. You guys complained about it enough to the point where I got up off my ass and I did it. Or did I let the cars get dirty on purpose the whole time? Plus, this is a personal car. It is my big brother's car. I will not be, really doing builds for anyone on the channel other than myself and my family. So this is my brother's car, and the car is going to go back to essentially a stalker-ish body. So flip up headlights, different bumper, 99 spec spoiler, and then we're gonna have a set of carbon fiber extensions that go on as the side skirts. The wheels will be changed. We have coilovers for it, and we are looking for a properly sorted 13B, which is easier said than done. Now, some of you may be wondering why I would have these headlights and not keep them, is because they are going on another FD. This will not be the only FD. We love FDs, Mark IV's, FDs, any Skyline, anything nostalgic JDM is what we're going to be doing on the channel. Euro guys, don't worry, I got plenty of stuff for you too. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here. Literally, the swap was interesting pulled out, and the guy actually offered me an engine to go with it. I'm not sure if it was the exact engine that was in this car, but the engine was pulled out to be put in another car, and it was bridge ported. I don't want a bridge port, and I just want to go with the mild street port. And we have the Affinity 99 spec turbos. I already have those, and I'm going to strip this down. I'm going to respray the whole engine bay, and it's going to be a very nice, clean, subtle swap. We'll be doing wheels, suspension, motor swap. I have everything in the car, wiring wise, already in there. Everything from the engine back is still in the car. This car only has 82,000 miles, or it's 108,000 miles. Can't remember for sure, but it is an original white chassis, which is the biggest reason we bought this car, other than yellow CMYKs. White is the fewest in production, and I like white cars. And yeah, it's going to be a really, really good build. We're going to shoot for around 550 wheel horsepower, and she's going to scoot and skedaddle for sure. So, a whole bunch of white cars coming your way, guys. Alright everybody, so you can see the FD is pretty clean. As I stated before, there's a reason I keep the cars dirty. It didn't really get messed up at all, and that's because with the film of essentially grime over it, you know, it doesn't let the elements really soak into the paint. Guys, we have an overwhelming amount of content that we film, so it's just going to be coming out in waves. Literally, we will be posting every single week. We have the content prepared. It's going to be there. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for the support, the good words. It really means a lot to me. I actually haven't gotten too much negativity other than the cars being dirty. But again, I'm not going to say I did it on purpose, but because of that, I get to show you, you know, really fulfilling videos of like accomplishment of just, hey, look, it's really, really dirty. I don't know why, but you guys love these videos, so I'm going to keep doing them. So again, thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment, thumbs down, thumbs up, I don't care. Say something. Peace.